right, this hot mess, some might call it a closet, but this hot mess is getting cleaned out. Oh my goodness. So this mirror is a jewelry case from when my daughter lived here. As you can see, where her jewelry used to hang, I have all sorts of things just stacked and layered and hanging everywhere. I have all my craft stuff here. And I have to tell you, it's been a royal pain trying to find something. I didn't have anywhere to put those decor items. They're stacked. I have craft items in there. Now the clothes are my husband's and my daughter's. But down here, these racks, all those crafts, I don't even know what's back in there. My glue gun, everything is kind of buried. Oh, and look at this side. I do have my ribbons somewhat organized in this bin here, but it's still not very easy to get to. Look at this, just layers and layers of craft stuff. So, it goes the whole way to the ceiling. Those are my table runners and curtains, and oh my goodness. It's a little overwhelming, but you know what? Out with the old, in with the new. I want to be able to do some craft projects, some DIYs with you all. So this has been keeping me from doing that, but not anymore. Here's to cleaning this out and getting things organized, getting rid of stuff that I don't use or want or won't do anything with, and just seeing what I have. I've been really wanting to be creative. I have some ideas of projects I would like to do with you all. So this is priority number 1 on the to-do list. So let's go ahead and get started with this once and for all. As you can see, I tried to be organized here. These rolling carts, come in handy. But when you can't get the cart out because everything's piled in front of it, that is a problem. So I want to take an inventory of what I have going on here and, get some organization going on. So what I mean by some projects. I purchased these, I guess Dollar General, or is that Dollar Tree? Whichever, but they were on sale. I got them and I want to paint them. I love little putz houses. Actually, is that too light up? I don't even know if they work anymore. No, probably needs batteries. Either that are so old. But anyway, these are some of the projects that I really want to work on and be able to do. So I have a bag full of houses. This is a broken wreath, which I thought the pieces would be cute if I need it for something. I don't know, are you like this? Like crafty? And you just, see things and you like the idea. This is little fabrics. I'm not even a farmhouse person, but that's what that is, farmhouse. But I've had it so long. What else is in this bag? Oh goodness. Oh, there's some wreath stuck on everything. Oh, these little hats. Look how cute. These are so cute. But I have a bag of hats. They're not doing me any good in there. I have well, this was on a project. I didn't like it, so I ripped it off. What else is in this bag? Oh, some stars that were on another project that I saved. Let's see here. What do we have here? Fix the tripod here. Let's see here. Get you situated, sorry. This is a cute tin. Goodness. Oh, yeah. All sorts of little baubles and craft items that I could be using. Look at all this. Like, oh, these eggs. I did craft with these. I got this like, oh no, the rolling pins just fell out. Look at these tiny little rolling pins. Oh my goodness, there's so many things we could be doing, crafting things we could be doing together. I gotta get this done. This is a must do. What else do we got here? All sorts of styrofoam balls. Embossing paste that I got at the Goodwill and don't even know if it's any good. Some knives. Oh, I made these out of the air clay. It's about as far as they went. I was practicing with my IOD mold. Oh, here's some wings. Yeah. Oh, there's some more down in there. More marmalade. Why would the nail clippers be in there? I don't know. I think there's another IOD mold. Oh yeah, it's got little leaves on it. Anyway, yeah, a little roller. All this I got at the Goodwill. Now this I got for Christmas. They're alphabet stamps. They're so cool to use. They're so fun. So I have a heat, dryer, little iron, Mod Podge. Oh my goodness, I got so much stuff. Here's the air clay. I probably should have that with, the molds, but I don't. So anyway, let's get with this. Let's get this program on the road. All of these cutouts, so all these ideas I have, like I said. Look at this cute little house. I have a pumpkin. Now I did stain this one. Started to make a project with it. I have two of those. Cute acorn. Look, I have stars. So cute for the summer. My intention for these was to paint them and put them outside, like a big outside on my enclosed porch for decor for the summer. And the same with these giant snowflakes. Like now that I remember that I have them, lots of projects to come. All right, so this is going to be a multi-day process. So you're going to see me in multiple clothing changes here while I work on this organization of my craft supplies. But I did, change my idea here I'm in my daughter's room. That's where all the organizing is taking place. And so I've come to the conclusion that this room has great lighting. As you can see, the window is, the light just, I don't know why, it comes in this room just so well. So I'm going to make this actually my office. I'm going to bring my desk into this room, and it'll be great to do my Bible studies and work on different projects in this room. So at least I'm making progress. I know what's going to go in here. Originally I was going to put my treadmill in here, but the lighting, I just don't want to waste. I don't need great lighting to be on a treadmill stomping around. So this is going to be my new office. And I also have, an idea. I'm going to put the craft supplies here in this closet. So let me take you there and show you what that looks like currently and to kind of give you an idea of what it's going to become. Okay, and you can see here, it's a little hard to tell here, the lighting, but this window, it just has great light in here, so it'd be perfect for crafting. So Look at this hot mess. Can you even believe it's like this? But, you know, I did get my paints consolidated. I managed to go through all the racks. I have all my wood projects. I still need to narrow those down. Went through my planner supplies. I like to put stickers and things in my planner, in my daily planner. I still need to go through that top shelf, organize the markers, paintbrushes, and those are glue sticks. Still going through things, but you can see here, making headway. I at least kind of somewhat have things kind of categorized here. But this closet still has some of my daughter's things in it. Cameras and things, but I'm going to take, I think she wants this nightstand. So we have to take that to her house and still take some of her clothing out, but it has great shelves in here. And so I am going to figure out how to organize this in a really fantastic way. And so that's my next plan, is to at least clear these shelves off. These are things she still needs to go through. I'm kind of feeling like if she needed them or wanted them, probably would have taken them out by now, but I'm going to take them to her apartment and hopefully she has time to go through them and sell or donate whatever she doesn't. But this is my updated status so far. Okay, well, like I said, this is a process, but I'm back in my organizing my craft stash, and it's been several days since my last video. I have come in and organized a few things here or there, but you know what? It's a process because, for one, in my defense, I have been, you know, dealing with some sinus problems and not feeling well. And, you know, it was a holiday. We had New Year's and Christmas to celebrate in the midst of all this, but I am making progress. Believe it or not, I'm making progress. And so what I've done today is I have all my wooden items separated out. I have mostly everything, at least on these 3 carts, well, 2 carts and a bin. I have everything organized and spread out. I put my paint together, so I'm kind of organizing. I've gotten rid of like a box full of stuff that I'm donating to the thrift store, to the cat rescue. I want to help the kitties, so I'm getting rid of those. So that's what I've done so far. In my closet, I had these bins, and this is like the shell, and this is a drawer. So I'm going to go ahead and put all my wooden items into this bin, and then in this closet I will set them on the shelf. So that'll get all those together. It'll get it out of this space so I can think a little bit more clearly on what I have and what I need to get rid of. And then I can start organizing craft DIY projects from there. But this bin, this is an extra drawer bin. So in my closet I have those from Home Depot. They're the closet organization systems that you just buy, you put in yourself, you install it yourself, but it had just shelves. And I had those sitting on the shelves, and finally, after many years, I went to Home Depot and we purchased drawers. And so I have the nice wooden drawers in there now. So it all looks nice and clean, and I have these extra. So I'm going to use those in this closet to organize my craft stuff. So it's a process, it sure is, but I'm making progress, and that's what's most important. Okay, and now for the finished project. Let me take you back inside the closet. Let me just preface this by saying that this is subject to change. That it might not stay this way, but for now I just have the carts sitting here in this corner. But look, you can actually see that I have everything organized, all of my glues and markers and stamps, my glue sticks, and all those other tools. Then of course this cart is subject to change as well, but you know, just some odds and ends right now on that. Pair of curtains that I thrifted, brand new curtains, right there for now. And so lots of space yet on this side. Now over here, from the bottom up, excuse me, I have the ribbon, ropes, so all of that kind of layered, you know, organized together. Odd things, you know, grasses and moss, Spanish moss and all that. Craft supplies, napkins, just things, odd things that I want to use that I wasn't ready to, you know, to part with yet. Pipe cleaners, and now this, that's that huge bin of all those wooden items just stacked in there. And then up here on this shelf I have my paints, just some plates, a crate, jars that I can do something with, and then way up top my IOD molds and some scrap paper, and then look at that, an empty shelf. So there we go. There is my craft supplies. Again, subject to change because, you know, as I find ways of putting things together better, or as I clean and go through stuff further, you know, make projects, this will change. But I'm just so happy this is done. Can you relate? Like when you get a big project and you organize it, even though it may not be like the most Pinterest ready picture when it's done, at least I know what I have now and I'm ready to create. So, hey, I want y'all to know that you are blessed and you are highly favored, and thanks for watching my video. If you want to see more tips, because I have more organizing to do, make sure you subscribe and make sure you like this video as well. I would appreciate it. Have a great day.